What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a minute. I'll get to that story time in a second, but for the meantime, for right now, I just want to show you guys that what I just picked up, and it's this oil breather or crankcase breather, or just a breather, however you want to call it, from CFM Performance. It's $100, and basically this just screws on to your oil cap, or you take the oil cap off and then you replace it with this, and this would just let air or any pressure that needs to be relieved come out from there on the top. I decided for a carbon fiber look, and it was only $100, so it's not that bad, and install is literally like 10 seconds. So let me show you guys real quick.
Okay guys, so all you gotta do is take off the oil cap, screw the new piece on, and then slap the top piece on. But you don't have to take it off, you can do it all together, but I just did it because of the little middle piece on the filter, and that way you don't see it. And yeah guys, it's that easy, real quick, doesn't take that much time.
Alright guys, so check it out. My bad, I couldn't the last part didn't have audio just because neighbors were bumping music, and you know, I can't have that in the video. But yeah, as you guys saw, it gets installed real quick. It just screws on just like that, and basically any pressure that's held in there will get released and out through there. There's no like performance gain, there's no like anything gain. I consider this as like a longevity type of thing, like a maintenance type of thing, like a healthy engine type of thing, you know. And as you guys can see, I also, one of my lines was leaking, and so I got a new line, and I added these little blue things to try to match. That happened. And then also what happened, guys, is a few months ago, May 16th, I believe, I was driving home. Some lady decided to turn into her street, and she hit me like right here, all along back there. So it wasn't too bad, but I still was like without my car for like 2 months. So they fixed it, painted it. I ended up having to get a whole new rim. I'll throw some pictures up so you guys can see what I'm talking about, and you guys can see what kind of happened. So yeah, she just messed it up there. I don't think it was like too bad. Nothing flew off. My bumper was still on, so nothing was too bad. But yeah, I just been gone for like 2 months since I haven't even had the car. But now I got it back, so I'm just adding a couple stuff here and there. But yeah guys, that's kind of why I've been gone. So let me throw out those pictures so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And also guys, just so you know, I'm pretty sure that this does not hit the roof or anything like that, or else I would have already seen something. But no, it's good. The clearance is good, everything's good. I think it just tidies up the engine, makes the engine look a little bit more better. But if you guys want your hands on one of these for your 5.7, 6.4, 6.2 or whatever, I'm gonna drop the link down below so you guys can check them out. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Sorry if you hear the beep, I got the door open right now. But yeah guys, it's the end of the video. I do appreciate you guys for watching, you know. Like I said, sorry for being gone for a while, but you know, that lady, man, she just messed me up, you know what I'm saying. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video.